So Jude and Caleb are LS swapping a Mazda Miata, and I'm only giving them verbal guidance, not giving them actual hands-on experience, other than when it comes to doing his wheel tubs, we're going to discuss what they did here because that's not going to work. So these guys are putting in a roll cage. It actually looks pretty good. They should have notched this a little bit more to make that cleaner, but there is good contact there. Not bad for their first roll cage, I'll tell you. I mean, this is better safety than having no safety in a convertible with a 400 horsepower LS motor. Oh, these guys are crazy. So they did some wheel tub work here, and after I seen what they did, because I didn't give them any guidance, I said, that's got to be redone. That's not going to work. This car is going to squat so hard on his big tire. This is not going to work. But the roll cage is death trap, but it's added safety for sure. He's definitely got some safety. I'm going to have him add some gussets to it. I don't think they know what gussets are. Good job, boys.